Nitai, 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 goranga. Nitai, 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 goranga.
Namaskaram. My name is Atula, and in collaboration with Soul to Soul, I would like to share with you a very simple meditation technique which can really help you to disconnect from external situations in life, which may sometimes be stressful, and to really connect with the inner heart space and our true essential nature. The only thing required for this meditation is that you have a stable and comfortable sitting position. You may be sitting on a bus, you may be sitting in your car, or in your office. Just make sure that you can maintain your back straight, your legs are relaxed, and you can really just relax your arms and peacefully close your eyes. You can roll your shoulders back slightly, opening your chest wide a little bit. You can turn your palms upwards, resting your wrists upon your thighs or your knees. You can slightly lower your chin and feel a pulling sensation on the back of your neck, as if you would be hanging from the ceiling. Close your eyes. Become aware of your feet, your legs, and your hips. If you feel any tension, then you can micro-adjust to enter a state of maximum comfort. Try to lengthen your spine upwards. Open your chest slightly, relaxing your shoulders, letting your elbows hang. Relax your tongue, your mouth, your cheeks. Relax your eyes, your temples, and your forehead. Become aware of the circumstance you are in, the noises which surround you, maybe the breeze which is blowing by. Become aware of any sensual impulse in the present moment. Hear the noises or the sensations. Let go of all the things that keep you busy, of all the plans you have, and just relax into the present moment. Now begin to feel your natural breath, the air entering through your nostrils, filling your lungs, and slowly emptying your inner space. Become aware of the temperature of the air which is entering through your nostrils. Become aware of the subtle expansion and contraction of your chest as you breathe. Feel how with every inhalation there is a natural rise of the body, and with every exhalation your body roots into the ground. The inhalation moves upwards, and the exhalation roots you into the ground. Begin to slightly increase the depth of your breathing. With the inhalation, you feel a natural rise of the chest, and with an exhalation, you're deeply rooting into the ground. Now, let go fully of any effort. Just observe your natural breathing. We will now begin to enter the inner space. Bring your mind to feel the region at the center of your chest. This space is known as the spiritual heart. You can try to find that space by following a very subtle sensation, almost like an emotion. Enter deep through awareness into that inner space, imagining yourself situated there within your heart space, as if you would be in a cave, the cave of your inner heart. From that space, you can now look upwards. You see your head on top of you. You can now look downwards. You see your abdomen and your legs. You can look to the sides, seeing your You can now look to the sides, imagining that you are surrounded by the walls of your inner space. In that space, you can feel safe, away from the external world. From that space, you can observe now the situations of your life which might be causing stress, anxiety, or any other unwanted emotions. Realize that you are simply an observer. You are not those things which you experience. You are just an observer. Within that inner space, visualize yourself as a spark of consciousness. Feel now your breath. With your inhalation, that spark of consciousness, that spark of light expands outwards throughout your body. And with your exhalation, that light of consciousness contracts, returning to its original, minute nature. You can now tell yourself you can now affirm to yourself, I am the witness of all that happens in my life. I can choose how to react. And I know that whatever may happen, I can always return to this inner space of peace and consciousness. Slowly now, begin to deepen your breath, feeling the expansion of your chest rise and fall. Become aware of the surface of your body. Become aware of the weight of your body upon the ground. Keeping your eyes closed, slightly lower your chin towards your chest. Open your eyes gently and slightly and look forward. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in our other meditations. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Namaskaram.
Nitai, nitai.